To give his welcome remarks, mga kuya, ate, at bunso, please all welcome our Regional Governor for Eagle Year 2026, Eagle Noel L. Parcon.
Thank you very much, Kuya. To our distinguished guest, we would like to acknowledge Honorable Major General Mayor John Onik Aying of Sara, Iloilo. Palakpakan po natin si Sir. To our National President, Eagle Ariel D. Donceras. Palakpakan po natin si PNP. To my idol, and the Pinapit Church, Kuya Jeffrey Marabilia. And yung sinasabi nga ni Kuya Bongo Tico, the most cast. Kuya Alex Belisa, our Secretary General and for the Field Director. To my District Governor, isa din sa Mapisan, Kuya Richard Sanchez of Iloilo District. To Eagle Kuya Rod Manawa, the President of Iloilo City Eagles Club. Pagkakanto natin siya. To Ma'am Lia Landasapan Aying, mayong hapon ma'am, pagkakanto natin si ma'am. To our guest, Kuya Ate at Bunso, mayong hapon sa totalities and historical events this afternoon that we have to charter the Western Visayas Eagles Region today. It is a long struggle, challenges with the regular Eagles coming from. We have done a withdrawal support to the previous. I was the regional governor also. But we are fighting the reality, like the legitimacy, what is really the Eagles. So with Kuya NP, Kuya Jeffrey, Kuya Alex, so we have a concerted efforts that we will establish kung ano ba talaga ang totoong Agila. That's why pumunta po kami doon sa Santa Rosa, Laguna in November 2025 to have a withdrawal of support. And then in January 10, pumunta rin kami ng Tacloban City to give support to Kuya NP, Kuya Jeffrey, Kuya Alex, and all the fraternal orders of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, and Company Corporative. It is a national organization, not only national, but we are also coming from the foreign country. That's why we are here, Kuya natin also, mga friends of Eagles, to establish in Western Visayas the totoong Agila. That's why we started here in Iloilo City with Gimaras Kuya Bongo Tico, my regional vice governor. Pagpakan po natin si Kuya Bong. And so, the Gimaras Eagle District, we will establish the Capiz, Aklan, and Antique, so that we be able to have it fully what is really the Western Visayas Eagle regions. After which, yung nagkaroon ng national one-time ministry sa Island Region. So doon kami ang susunod in Region 7. That's why we have already talked and agreed with Kuya NP that we will establish also to the Region 7 in Cebu. So yun lang po. At maraming salamat na nandito kayo. At nandito tayo to meet an historical event in Western Visayas Eagles Region. Maganda ka po sa atin lahat.
Thank you, Kuya Noel. At this moment, let us hear for the presentation of our members. Kuya Bob?
I would like to present to you the members of the to present our members, I would like to call in the Secretary General, Eagle, Kuya Alex Villesa.
I request the technical team, lights off please. All applicants, please stay outside for your procession.
Ano tayo? Tawagin sa isa yung mga yan.
Sa labas? Tayo sa labas?
Labas tayo. Dali lang. Ang kagapon ko lang. Dali ka.
Tinungkod mo yan?
Wala ka.
Yeah.
Hello, say hi.
Tawagin tayo ulit. Sana ano?
Ate. Ate ang. Napata. Ay. Ayun lang. Naukas. Pa-help.
Lights off please.
Sino?
Hindi ba?
Hindi ko, hindi man.